Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga has openly acknowledged the poor state of Zimbabwe's infrastructure, describing the country's roads and urban housing as outdated and in desperate need of renewal. Zalamenda mashoko kubuda panguva ine aiwa Chiwenga unyasoratidza kuti panguva ine akunyasopavha his way, akunyasokambira kuti vakomana vona zviri kuitwa nezvigananda. Mukana vamusapota zvigananda mucharamba muchiona nyika yenyu ichiondomoka. Zalamenda mashoko kubuda panguva ine Chiwenga achiadmita kuti aiwa Zimbabwe yaparara. Kuti subscribe like on the bell icon tibina mnamuda nyamamchinze. Speaking in Masvingo on Thursday at the Construction Industry Federation of Zimbabwe Annual Congress, Chiwenga declared, "Our towns and cities need urgent urban renewal because the houses and the roads are archaic." The remains have sparked debate within political circles, with observers suggesting the statement was not only about infrastructure but also carried political undertones. With the ZANU-PF's internal power struggles deepening, many see Chiwenga's comments as a subtle jab at President Emmerson Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 agenda. The Vice President's voice of words was deliberate. By calling the roads archaic, he was highlighting the government's failure to deliver meaningful change, indirectly pointing to Mnangagwa's shortcomings, one analyst noted. As factional tensions between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga continue to simmer, every public statement is being closely scrutinized for deeper political meaning. Another observer remarked, "This is more than a critique of infrastructure, it's a coded message in the ongoing succession battle." Chiwenga's remarks have once again put the spotlight on the state of Zimbabwe's infrastructure and the growing divisions within the ruling party over the 2030 agenda. Ndo mashwari kubuda panguva ine arikuno kwanza aiwa Chiwenga panguva ine oyanyasokutaura in riddles achiudza nyika yeZimbabwe kuti aiwa panapa isu taneta muchitionawo tiri mu the ruling party ZANU-PF hatisi kufara nezviri kuitwa nezvigananda zvinoonekwa kunzi zvaiva zvakacapture bato and Zimbabwe at large. Pinai comment section medu dzimafungiro enyu motodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, channel on the bell icon.